Joint liability groups, a new hope for farmers and artisans. Joint liability group. Joint liability groups were a concept established in India in 2014 by the Rural Development Agency, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, to provide institutional credit to small farmers. National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD JLG schemes. NABARD supports the formation of JLG in project model for availing microcredit from banks through all its offices across India. The scheme is implemented through good NGO, Farmers Club, etc. NABARD has published one booklet on success stories of JLGs, which is available on its website. Who can promote JLG? JLGs can be promoted by business facilitators, correspondents, NGOs, farmers clubs, farmers federations, Panchayat Raj institutions, agriculture university, bank branches, PACS, cooperative societies, individual microfinances, and many others. Documents required by banks for JLG. JLG should be first promoted by any individuals or institutions. JLGs promoting institutions. Thereafter, banks require KYC, application form, inter-C agreement, and DPN. What is the joint liability group model? Joint liability group is an informal group comprising preferably of 4 to 10 individuals for the purposes of availing bank loan either individually or through the group mechanism against mutual guarantee. Who can form joint liability group? Eligibility. JLGs should be of similar economic status and carry out farming activities. Who agree to function as a joint liability group members should be engaged in agri activity for a period not less than 1 year. JLG members should not be a defaulter and not from the same family. NABARD promotes JLG. For promoting the JLGs, NABARD will also provide grant assistance to banks and other JLPAs for formation, nurturing, and financing of new JLGs at the rate of rupees 2000 per JLG. Then, what is the minimum loan amount in JLG? Say, for example, in the first cycle, the loan amount could be as low as rupees 25,000 per member and may be incrementally raised to 1 lakh per member depending on the credit history and the need of the JLG. What is JLG model? How it works? Joint liability group JLG is a lending model that enables a group of individuals, usually 5, to take loans for income generating activity by forming a group wherein group members guarantee each other loans. What is the rate of interest of JLG loan? Scheme for financing JLGs purpose to meet the pre-harvest, post-harvest credit requirement and finance against pledge of agricultural product of JLGs farmer. Interest rate up to rupees 3 lakh, above rupees 3 lakh MCLR plus 1.35% MCLR 2.50%. Processing charges up to rupees 3 lakhs nil, above rupees 3 lakhs at the rate of 0.30%. Then coming to what is JLG NABARD. The JLG approach is a major product propagated by NABARD for purveying microfinance in rural India for meeting the credit needs of small marginal farmers tenant Rural leases are sharecroppers and micro enterprises in off-farm sector to enhance opportunities for livelihood in terms of income and employment by what is the difference between the three model Grameen, SHG and JLG? SHGs have group size of 10 to 20 members while JLG have smaller group size of 5 to 10 members. SHGs are more formal structure as compared to JLG. SHG has positions defined like secretary, treasurer, which act as an interface of all SHG members with the financial institutions. Schemes for financing JLGs purpose to meet the pre-harvest, post-harvest credit requirements and finance against pledge of agriculture produce of JLGs of farmers. Limit for individual farmers of the group maximum of for rupees 1 lakh. For JLG as a group based on the available cultivable area of each member of the JLG and for the activity undertaken maximum rupees 5 lakh per group. Security, primary hypothecation of crops and assets out of banks finance. Collateral, no collateral for limits up to rupees 1 lakh. For limits above rupees 1 lakh, charge on agricultural land. Interest rate up to 3 lakhs MCLR plus 1.35%. Above 3 lakhs MCLR plus 2.50%. Then processing charges up to 3 lakhs nil. Above 3 lakhs it's at rate of 0.30% as I told before. Repayment depending upon duration of crop and realization of sale proceeds. In a nutshell, JLGs supply driven credit oriented group comprised of both men and women, group of 4 to 10 people. Loans are offered only for income generation purposes. Model savings don't have any effect on the loan process. An informal group of individual from the same socio-economic background who seek loan for business promoted by microfinances eligible for micro loans from the very first week of the formation. Agency driven models, rules, and regulations are formed by financial institutions which promote JLGs. Thank you, each and everyone, for kindly listening about this JLG groups.